The iOS 26 beta overheating problem can make your iPhone uncomfortable to use and hurt battery life. This overheating can affect how your phone works and drain the battery quickly. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you easy and effective ways to cool down your iPhone and fix the iOS 26 beta overheating problem. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. One simple fix is to restart your iPhone. It helps reset the system and remove any software glitches. It will also stop background processes that may be running. Here's how to restart an iPhone. Press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, long press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Do not charge. When installing beta updates, your device consumes a significant amount of system resources. This is a key reason why the iPhones get really hot during the update. If you charge your phone in this condition, the battery will produce more heat. This can make the overheating worse. Avoid charging the phone during the installation process. Instead, ensure to charge your device beforehand. Solution 3. Update all apps. Go to the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your account icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and press Update All. This will start the update process of any outdated apps. Wait for the update to complete. This should resolve the iPhone overheat issue. Solution 4. Remove all background apps. Swipe up from the bottom on the home screen and hold it for a second. The app switcher will open. Swipe left and right to see the apps that are open. Swipe up over each app to close it. Solution 5. Turn off location services. Open Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Move down and tap on Location Services. Turn off Location Services option at the top. Solution 6. Disable Background App Refresh. Open the Settings app and go to General. Slide down and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh. At the top, select Off. Solution 7. Turn on Low Power Mode. This reduces background activity and help conserve battery, potentially reducing heat. Open up Settings. Tap on Battery. Now toggle on Low Power Mode. In this way, you can easily reduce your iPhone's overheating problem. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.